Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is detective accounting. Now, this show is focused on small business and ordinary folks, and I try not to make it too geeky. The word detective accounting in the accounting field has a much fancier name, and that is forensic accounting. If I say the word forensic accounting, it does, I think, sound like it's going to be a geeky topic, and it might be something that you might see on, I don't know, 60 Minutes or uh, some type of white collar crime story. And that's usually when we hear about it in a news situation. But the reality is that forensic accounting comes into play commonly and often in ordinary taxes for individuals and especially small businesses. Today, all I'm going to do is outline how we do it and what the process is. So, detective accounting or forensic accounting is basically 4 steps. The first is, you might guess, read. Take what's available, whether it's ledgers, whether it's emails, letters, documents, whatever, and read them. We have to read the information that's available. Second, not surprising, like just about any investigation, the second step is interview. Interview the people. And I find that to be the most useful part of the process uh, because if you ask the right questions, people have amazing insight and can, frankly, solve their own problems if there's a problem in the first place most of the time. So that's where the real gold information is in the interview. The third step is analysis, some type of number crunching, if you will, but some type of application of logical uh, process to the data that we've gathered from the records and from the interviews. Basically, the words, see if it adds up. That's the basic process. The fourth step is to document our findings. This is what the paper said, and this is management said something different. And when I added things up, I got a third number, whatever. We document our findings. And the last step is to document the results. We presented the results to management and we adapted these new internal controls. That would be a common. And we found that that nobody's balancing the checkbook. And from now on, it's going to be the treasurer's job to balance the checkbook once a month. Something like that. So that is, in essence, detective accounting and known as forensic accounting. And you can probably episode real soon. We'll talk about forensic accounting in small business taxes. It can be an amazingly useful and time-saving and money-saving tool that we can use. If you have any thoughts, comments, I welcome them on social media, or if you want to talk to me one-on-one, that's easy to do also. Find me at taxproblems.cpa. Otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Savings Minute.